Now let's move to a very important part of your introduction, your job, or what you study.
Yes, people always want to know what you do in your daily life.
The basic sentence is, I am a...
For example, I am a teacher, or I am a nurse, or I am a driver.
Very simple. And if you're a student, you say, I am a student.
Then you can add your major. I study art, or I study English, or I study business.
Right. Adding what you study makes your introduction more interesting.
Many beginners think they must use long sentences, but no, you only need short, clear phrases.
Exactly. For example, I am a chef. I work in a restaurant.
That sounds very natural.
Great example. You can also talk about how you feel about your job.
Yes, these simple adjectives help express your personality.
Yes, these simple adjectives help express your personality.
Very polite and natural ways to say you're not working at the moment.
You can say, I am looking for a job, or I am between jobs.
Easy. You can say, I work in a hospital, I work in a school, or I work in an office.
Many learners also ask how to describe their workplace.
So simple. No complicated grammar needed.
Or, if you work from home, just say, I work from home.
Beautiful. Here's a student version. I am a student. I study marketing. It's very interesting.
Let's give a full example for beginners. I am an English teacher. I work in a language center. I love my job.
Nice. These are super easy for listeners to copy and adjust.
And here's a casual version for friendly conversations. I work in IT. My job is busy but exciting.
Nice. These are super easy for listeners to copy and adjust.
Remember, the goal is not perfection. It's communication.
Exactly. Short sentences help you speak clearly and confidently.
Listeners, repeat after us. I am a blank.
And now, I work in...
Great job. Now let's talk about your family.
Wonderful. Now let's move to your family.